Hello guys. So today we are going to do something. We are going to create a GitHub account. Okay. What we are going to do today, we'll create a Git account on cloud. Okay. And then we'll create a folder on that account. So folders in Git are called repositories. Okay. Or in short, we call it a repo. So let's see how to do that. Let's go to the website github.com. Okay. I have already logged into my account. So let's say I sign up. We'll click on sign up. Okay. Okay. It's asking for my email address. So let's say if I give a email address like whatever address I have, whatever email address you have, you can put over there. Asking me for a password. Give me a second. I'll pause the screen share. I'll write some password. Okay. It's asking me for a username. Yes, it can. This is good. This is an acceptable password. Now I'll resume my screen. It's asking me for a username. I already have 2 accounts. But let's say I give a username of this. You will be provided a GitHub account from AttainU, but even if you don't have, you can do it like this. Okay. Verify my account. Please solve this puzzle to verify that you are human. Click start puzzle to continue. Take the spiral galaxy. Okay, this one is spiral. And again spiral. Okay. This was just a captcha. This method of verifying difference between a human and a computer is called captcha. Okay. Give me a second. Something happened. I'll save this ID for future use. I'll use this ID from today. I've paused my screen and I'm going to open my Gmail. Give me a second. So I'll resume my screen now. This is the confirmation mail that came from GitHub. Okay, and it shows the OTP was this 881290. I'll enter it over here 881290. Now these things I don't want. I'm a student, just me. Okay, continue. Specific features you are interested in using. Can't I skip it? Collaborative coding, let's say. Okay. Learn to ship software, not today. So continue for free. Okay, GitHub has changed a lot. Like these type of animations were not there earlier. Good. So this website, github.com, now this account is created over here and my username Jazib demo. Okay. So what is GitHub? GitHub is a cloud storage for Git. What we saw yesterday, we made a folder and we made this folder get monitored by Git by using the command git init. Okay. Now doing that and then storing all the code and all the progress on a local folder. What I'm choosing, I'm making a Git folder or a Git repo on the cloud. So first we created a GitHub account. Okay. Now you can create a repository by clicking over here, or let's say, I'll show you the more general way. You can go to the repositories and you can click over here, new. I'll give the repository name. Let's say I give a name, AttainU. This is the name of my folder. I can give a description. It's optional, but still I would like to give. Okay. So teaching Git on cloud. Okay. Okay. This is the description. Why I made this folder to teach Git on cloud. Okay. It is a public repository, so that I want you guys can also come and see this. Okay. Let me close this thing. And I can add a README file. Always add a README file. Okay. README file is just like telling what this folder is all about. Okay. So always add a README file. I'll talk about Git ignore and license some other day. Let's create the repository. Now this repository is created. Okay. As you can see, this is a README file that has my repos name, and this is the description that I added. Okay, guys. I hope this much is clear. Okay. We'll see you next in the next lecture.